Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela and today I am bringing you this fun and a little bit out there for me look. It's very pink, I will say. I had a little bit of fun playing with a little bit of pink. I did a half cut crease with some glitter. Just had some fun playing around, listening to music. It was a blast. It's at the moment 10 p.m. at the moment, so yeah, I was having some fun. So as well, I do have lash extensions at the moment. I got them done at my lash studio in Yeppoon, and I got them done in there. I never usually wear lash extensions. I usually just use like strip lashes, but no, I'm actually really excited for them. I got like a wispy, kind of like natural wispy cat eye look, just because I didn't want anything too crazy. And I got some footage here which I'll put in now. And you can have a look how she does them, and some before and after shots which I have as well. So it is nice to have lashes and something a little bit different for me. I've only ever had them done once before at the same place, and no, I really like how they turned out this time. They're really nice. Like, I keep looking and I'm just like, they look so like feminine, and just the kind of like style that she did for me. She did ask what I liked and I had no idea. I said, can you like look at my eye shape and tell me what you think? And she said like kind of like cat eye but natural, and no, they turned out really nice and I really like them. I really love, I keep looking at them, I'm like, oh my goodness. But yes, I want to thank her for doing that for me. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll leave all her links down below where you can check her out. She is amazing. She's got heaps of pictures there for you to have a look at, her before and afters as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you did like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. That will be really great. And also, if you could ring that notification bell. YouTube is doing some weird stuff lately and people aren't seeing my posts, my YouTube posts, so please don't forget to hit that little bell as well. So I just did one eye off camera and that is what I went with. So it's just a half cut crease, a pink look. I wasn't really sure what I was going with, but yeah. So what I started out with was the jamescharles palette, and I just took that pink shade in the corner with just a fluffy brush. And what I did was I just so you can be messy with this because I will clean it up with a makeup wipe. And what I did was kind of pat it in the inner corner and then kind of blend it out and like kind of smoke it out. Oh, and this is the E40 brush by Sigma. And I'm just gonna bring it right out, blend it out. I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. Next Next, on a more precise brush, what I did was I took some Fix Plus, sprayed my brush, and then just went in with the kind of like mauve color shade, and I'm gonna deepen up the crease. So I'm just gonna pat this into the crease. And kind of blend it out into the outer corner. So now that I have it kind of like blended, what I'm gonna grab is a flat brush, just a concealer brush and some concealer, and I'm gonna do a half cut crease. So I'm just going to paint it a little bit on my lid and kind of look, I guess, up. And then I'll just grab a kind of like fluffy blending brush and just blend out, bring that shadow back. I'm going to be taking my Nars Ignite palette, and I'm going to be taking these two shades, so the lighter one more in my inner corner, and then darkening it out with that other shade. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and take a lighter shade. Even taking some Fix Plus as well will intensify it. And just taking a blending brush as well, just to blend that back through. And then I'm just going to take this like white color, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. And just take a makeup wipe, and we're just going to clean up this. I'm going to be taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm just going to put that all over my face, kind of in my T section. Next, I'm going to be mixing two foundations, my Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in beige and my Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Amani in 5. I do love this foundation, it's really nice. Has a nice finish to it. It is a little bit light for me, that's why I'm putting the Vanish stick foundation with it. I'm still sick, by the way. Well, actually, I am filming at 9:45 p.m. so, and I've got night shift tomorrow night, so that's why I'm filming. Next, I'm going to be going with my favorite, the Jeffree Star Concealer in C10. This stuff is life-changing. So I'm just going to bake underneath my eyes with my Laura Mercier powder. So I want to do something really different with my under eyes. I think I'm going to take the Makeup Geek and Manny MUA palette. It's a bit beat up, but I want to take this shade, I think, and run that along my waterline, my bottom lash line. Whew, looks scary, but yes. And then now I can wipe that away. And from that same palette, I'm just going to take that brownish shade and blend that out a bit lower. Yeah. Ooh, very nice. And then I'm just going to take some mascara and put on my bottom lashes because I already have fake lashes on. So I don't really need any lashes. Just tidy them up a bit. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer in Shady Biz, and this is going to bronze up my skin. This bronzer is so nice. For blush, I'm going to be taking my Hourglass Ambient Light Editing Palette, and I'm just going to be taking that pinky shade and just going to apply this to my cheeks. Something else as well, what I'm going to do is, because I don't really like that harsh line a lot for my like this bit here, I'm just going to like buff it a little bit so it's not so harsh. For highlighter, I don't know if I should go in with Fenty Beauty's How Many Carats, or should I go, it's kind of on that silvery side, but I'm not sure if it's too silvery. So that's what the highlighter looks like. I don't know if it might be a bit too, I'll see how I go. Let's have a look. Where is my highlighter brush? Like, this is a really nice highlight. I'm going to take my MAC pencil in Soar, I think. I'm going to take my MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. And then I think I'm going to take some of Kylie's gloss in Clear. So this is what the finished look looks like. I had some fun playing with a little bit of colour. I don't usually play with colour, so this was really interesting for me. No, I had some fun. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Bye.